All right, guys. Basically, I'm switching my indexing system. This is part of the index valve. 4 zones, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the back. I've got the Rachio system, but I only had it on common and manual, which means you would run, but not individual zones. So now I picked up this 3 heavy duty zone, and I'm adding another one because I've got 4 zones. So pretty much picked up this baby by itself. Few couplings, you know, piping obviously, and right now I'm cutting. I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna pretty much install this baby. So that's gonna come directly from the manifold, and I'm gonna split up the zones and, you know, attach the new zones through the old pipes to the 4 zones. Remove that and remove that. Capito? See you in a bit. Thank you, bye. All right, so you can have an idea. Everything's glued besides that. So pretty much we've got main pipe right there. Main pipe coming out from the city. Shut off valve, backflow valve coming in. As you see the arrows, let me zoom in. Right there, arrows. So it's coming in, going through the solenoid, going through the valve, coming out. So now the fun part, playing Tetris. Coming down and pick a pipe, pick one of the zones, and this is gonna be removed. This is the old one, right, guys? Right. Yep, let's keep it going. So I like this system, you know, I'm a homeowner, I'm not a pro, because God forbid something happens, you can kind of unscrew it and switch the valves. You don't have to be messing cutting all the pipes. You're gonna probably cut some of the pipes, but not a lot if you have any issues with the pipes. But with the valve itself, you can just kind of unscrew it. Boom, boom, boom. This one I'm gonna probably would have to cut it, but this, that, no. All right, guys. So going back, remove the index valve, shut off the main, coming in, and going out. So I picked, picked my zones, 1, 2, 3, 4. The bottom is the main. So just be careful, so you guys, kind of do your math. Think, where you're gonna cut it, how you're gonna measure it. But yeah, this definitely worked out for me. And now I'm going through the process of wiring. So picked up some thermostat wire I had. So pretty much, as you can see, 4 for 4 zones, and the brown one for the common. That's what I'm gonna use. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zones and common. So this is pretty simple. As you get, I think the hardest part is actually, measuring your pipes, so you can kind of, level everything. It's pretty level, a little bit crooked, but level enough that for DIY, not bad. All right, I'm gonna try to put it right there. Let's see if I can help you out with this. What's up? So I'm gonna pretty much pick all the right ones. One of each zone. With my common. Let me open up a bit more. Got my common. Plug this baby in. Twist it. Alright, so that section's done. So now just go. They actually provide with caps and numbers in common, so you can go and so you don't get lost and eventually choose what's what. One is done. Number two. Three, and the last one. All right, so now we've got it all. Common, all combined, and then I picked up the zones. It's about to rain, but going back to Rachio or whatever system you've got. Pretty simple. So now I'm gonna use my common, not manual anymore, just my common one, and pick up my zones 1, 2, 3, 1 through 4, and let's see how it's gonna work out. All right, so now we got the brown, right, common, and I picked up the zones 1 through 4. I picked up this piece for like $3. It's actually like a flexible pipe, just to have an extra layer of coverage for the wire. And I'm gonna turn everything on to see if there's any leaks, and turn the system on as well. Turn the Rachio on. I already have the application and everything. It's very simplified. So you got your power, your zones, your common, and then you can go through the app and take pictures and choose your zones and make it work, make it rain. There's a lot of glare because it's sunny outside, but this is the system, right? So picking up, you can tell I've got 4 zones. So back of the house, go down, next. I'm just gonna run 3 minutes. Boom. Working, no leaks. There you have it. Probably have to fix some of those heads, but it's working. Awesome. Now I'm picking the next. Just a quick run to see how it goes. Woo! It's working. Another one that needs to be fixed, but it's working. All right, everything's working, seems to be fine. So yeah, now I'm just gonna pick this one up, add it, cover up. So pretty much this is what you gotta do if you wanna, switch from the old system like this. Index valve to split zones. I hope that helps someone out there. Thank you so much. Take care, bye.